The HELLA Universal Beam Setter, or SEG for short, will be used to adjust the halogen headlights on a customer's vehicle. For this, the vehicle is driven to the test station and the steering wheel is brought to the straight-ahead position. The test area must comply with DIN ISO 10604 to ensure correct beam setting. To start, the headlights should be checked for proper functioning and for mechanical damage and should be cleaned if necessary. The air pressure in the tires should be checked and should comply with the vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. The level control of the headlights must be at zero position and a load of 75 kilograms placed on the driver's seat. Once the preparations are complete, you may position the SEG in front of the vehicle. In doing so, maintain a distance of 30 to 70 centimeters between the headlight and tool. Start by aligning the SEG to the vehicle in the horizontal direction using the broadband sight. Next, align the SEG to the center of the headlight in the vertical direction. The arrows on the beam setter box should mark the center of the headlight. The HELLA SEG also has a practical laser positioning aid that you can use to adjust the exact position of the tool. The percentage of forward tilt of the headlight is always found on or near the headlight. Transfer this value using the scaled wheel on the SEG. Now, switch on the low beam and start the adjustment. Start by checking the light-dark boundary on the test screen of the SEG. In this case, the light-dark boundary is too high and the asymmetrical light distribution is located too far to the right. Use the adjusting screws to adjust the beam. After the adjustment, the light-dark boundary should reach to the dashed line. The asymmetrical light distribution should reach to the vertical of the central mark. An optimum light distribution has been achieved. Next, turn on the high beam and make the necessary adjustments for it. In this case, the hot spot of the high beam is already located within the rectangle and no adjustments are necessary. Switch back to the low beam so you can now check the maximum glare value. The lux meter shows a value of 1.0 lux in this case, which is within the tolerance range for halogen headlights. There's an increased likelihood of mechanical damage on high-mileage vehicles. Broken-off brackets, cracks in the cover lens, and gravel impacts are the most common types of damage. The latter type of damage is especially problematic. Radiated light is deflected uncontrolled through the points of damage in the cover lens. Depending on the severity of the gravel impacts, this may subject oncoming traffic to dangerous glare. If glare values exceed the tolerances of 1.0 lux for halogen and 1.2 lux for xenon, the headlights involved must be replaced by law.